What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for stopping by. And also thank you to the people who have been tuning in each week to each and every one of my videos. I thank y'all so much. So I get a lot of questions on my eyebrows, and what better way to show you how I do my eyebrows than do a video on them. So let's jump into this video, y'all. As y'all can tell, my eyebrows, they're not very even. This side has a little bit more hair underneath than my other side. So what I like to do is just go in and brush the hair up and try to shape it out as best as I can. And then I'm just going to take my tweezers and tweeze away that extra hair on this side. Alright, y'all, so after I'm finished shaping my eyebrows how I want, I take the same brush, it's the Anastasia 7B, and I'm just going to outline my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ebony. I'm going to outline the shape that I already have because I want my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. I only want to just shape out the original eyebrow just to enhance what I already have and to fill in the gaps. I do have a lot of gaps in my eyebrows, so I just want to fill in that hair and keep my original shape. Y'all, so when I'm starting to fill the products into my eyebrows, I like to use a little bit of product at a time. Then I will blend that product into my eyebrow using the spoolie side of the brush, and I just keep adding little products at a time and blending that product in how I want it in my eyebrows until I get the desired consistency I want. And I like to have a bit of a gradient effect from the beginning of my eyebrows. So what I like to do is just take the brush side of this brush, and then I'll just go in and add little tiny hair strokes at the beginning of my eyebrows so that I can get that gradient effect that I'm looking for. And once I do that, and once I get my eyebrows to the desired consistency I'm looking for, then I go ahead and move on to my next step. So here are both eyebrows. They are filled in, and I'm just going to go in with my Pro Precision Concealer in the number 45 and my NYX Contour Concealer Corrector in the color Warm Honey. And when you are concealing underneath and over the top of your eyebrows, you want to make sure that you use small strokes so that you can make sure that you outline your eyebrows and make them as even as possible. I promise y'all, on a good day, it takes me a good 10 minutes to do both of my eyebrows, and that's on a good day. So just take your time and make the strokes as small as possible so you can get a nice straight line and that your eyebrows can look as even as possible. My eyebrows without product, any product, look like distant cousins, but you know, when everything is done, I make sure that at least they're close cousins. They're not sisters, but they're close cousins, and you know, they look even to me. So I'm just gonna go in and continue to conceal and blend out and work that concealer into my skin and make sure that it's nice and blended underneath my eyebrows. I'll keep working and make sure that I get that line as straight as possible, and this is what you want to do to get at least near perfect eyebrows. y'all, so now I'm going to outline the top of my eyebrows with the concealer. This is the hardest part for me because it's so easy for me to mess up on the top of my eyebrows, which is why you see me like readjusting myself. I'm being really careful when I'm doing this because it's really easy to mess up, y'all. And I know a lot of people don't like to conceal the top of their eyebrows because maybe it feels unnecessary, but because I outlined with the pomade, I definitely want to outline with the concealer. It'll give me more of a neater look and it'll help bring out my eyebrows a little bit more. So that's why I take the extra step and outline my eyebrows with the concealer on the top and the bottom. So as y'all can see, this eye that I just finished, it has concealer on it. I'm just going to go in with the spoolie and just address some areas that I may have overcorrected with the concealer and just fill it in with the pomade. And now you can see how one eye looks with concealer and the other eye looks without the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that eyebrow now. And y'all, this is the finished product. This is how it looks. Now they look like close cousins. They were looking like distant cousins before. We're not gonna call them sisters, we're gonna call them cousins. And y'all, this is how it's looking. If you check the bottom screen, the bottom image on the screen, this is how my eyebrows used to look without products. I didn't overdo it, I didn't do too much. I just filled it in as needed and I just concealed it just to bring out my eyebrows a little bit more. All products will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you check that out, and I'll see y'all in my next one.